Time to add these awesome USB outlets to your home or office. Installing a USB outlet. It's so simple and easy, guys. We're actually going to do this in one take with no cutaways and no edits, just to show you. The power is off for this circuit. The outlet is dead. Simply remove the cover plate. And the outlet with the 2 screws, that's Phillips. Number 2 screwdriver. We're using electrical screwdrivers that have insulators for extra protection, but really any Phillips screwdriver will do. And pull it out and exposing the wires. Now we have the quick connector, speed wiring, or backstabbing method in this house. What you do on those is you get a small screwdriver and you insert it in this little slot, push down, angle it towards the wire, and it will pull out. And then do that for each of the wires. You're going to have either 2 wires, the black and the white, or 4, 2 blacks and 2 whites, depending on your house. If it's at the end of a circuit for the outlet, you'll have only 1 black and 1 white. If it's in the middle of the circuit, you'll have 2 blacks and 2 whites. It's just as easy either way. And then lastly, you're going to remove the bare copper ground screw, which is green. If you don't have a ground wire, it just means it's an older house and it's okay. You can still install your new outlet. So this one's gone. This one's now the new outlet, USB, nice and modern. They did a great job in designing this outlet. You actually have these little plates here to install. You don't have to make a hook on these. You just install the wire straight in. If your old outlet had the wires wrapped around the terminal screw, you're going to be left with a hook. I often call that a shepherd's hook. And then you're going to want to take a handy dandy pair of pliers and straighten that out, because for your new USB outlet, you need the wires to be straight. Okay, gold screw for the black, white silver screw for the white wires. It actually is labeled here in the back. So if you forget, they did a good job on labeling it. Let's start with the ground screw. It's good practice to always start with the ground. That way you may ensure that you never forget. Okay, got our nice little hook there. Make sure it stays in position. Screw it on down. So the hook goes clockwise around the screw, comes in from the bottom, goes around the screw, tighten it down clockwise, nice and snug. Next, let's go to the blacks. So it goes behind that plate. That plate will be tightened down. Back to the Phillips screwdriver. It's a very simple method. They did a good job on designing these. Okay, onto the white. The white is the silver screw. Again, we're behind the plate. Phillips screwdriver, tighten those on down. Whoops. Popped out. Okay, the connection's nice and tight, just double checking. Now you're good. You have your ground, your neutral, and your hot or black. You're going to gently fold it, make sure we're the right direction. Okay, gently fold your wires back into the box. Make sure that ground is nice and at the bottom and out of the way. Okay, that's lining up nicely. Screwdrivers. And start putting that back in. Okay, I know it's boring watching me tighten these up. You want to get it nice and snug. Make sure you're level. It'll look funny if the outlet is crooked. Such a good looking new outlet with those USB ports. It'll be much easier to have those in your house. Okay, so we are actually good. Go ahead and put any decorative cover plate you want. Make sure when you buy your cover plate, you don't buy traditional like this. That will not fit. You do need the rectangle type, and these come in all colors, but has to be the rectangle type to fit on your new USB outlet. Go ahead and turn on the power and enjoy.